Is that JoJo?
Yep. See there? Can you tell him hi?
Dada.
Yeah, that's Dada.
Yeah. And who else?
Is that Mommy and JoJo? We wanted to throw a quick video out for you all to show you what Victoria's been working on. She's been making custom earrings lately, as well as custom birthday cards, thank you cards, things of that nature that she uses her machine called Cricut for. So she cuts it out with the Cricut, and then she puts them all together by hand. So her graphic design skills, her artistic skills, her hands-on skills all come together, and it's pretty cool to see her do it. But Joanna has a pair of the black ones that Mommy made, or I'm sorry, Victoria made, her mommy. You want to show the camera? Look, show the camera the earrings. Show them, hold them up like Mommy.
This one now has a little bit of Joanna's.
That's okay. So we have
Good job.
black, and then show them your. Those are pretty cool.
They're like a sparkly goldish color, and they're in the teardrop shape.
And these are my favorite colors because.
And that's pretty much a true color of that right there. It's like this light blue
With a leather texture.
leather texture. And then we also have these cute leopard print earrings.
Oh, cover your mouth. Stinking allergies, huh?
So you can see
Be
those.
careful.
They are super cute earrings. And then there's some in the Cricut right now. That's what you're hearing. It's cutting them right now as we speak. So those are just a couple of things that I've been working on. Here, you play with these. So that's what I've been working on with my Cricut. If you want to purchase any of these things, head over to my Instagram account. At the moment, it's called hammer.made, and our Instagram account is the best place to find